7th grade science, chapter 2, section 7, photosynthesis and respiration. The process of photosynthesis. A productive process. Most of a plant's food is manufactured in its leaves throughout the process of photosynthesis. Animals and people are dependent upon this food for their energy. About 2/3 of our diet comes directly from plants. The other third comes from animals that eat plants. Because plants make their own food, they are called producers. Animals and people who eat plants are called consumers. Along with being used to manufacture food, photosynthesis also replenishes the oxygen supply in the air and returns water to the air. Solar-powered. Photosynthesis literally means putting together with light. As sunlight enters the leaf cells, some of the light's energy is absorbed by tiny structures inside the cell called chloroplast. Chloroplasts are chemical factories containing chlorophyll, the green pigment of plants that is necessary for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy, which the plant uses to form the chemical adenosine triphosphate, often called ATP. Through a complicated process, chloroplasts use the chemical energy stored in ATP to combine hydrogen atoms with carbon dioxide from the air, which enters the plants through the stomata, pores on the underside of the leaf, to make the plant's food, the simple sugar glucose. Glucose, which provides the energy for the cells of living things, is not normally used immediately, but is stored for later use. Most plants do not store glucose directly. Instead, they usually convert excess glucose into starch, complex chains of glucose units. Glucose uses. Plants and other organisms use glucose to produce several important compounds, including proteins, fats, cellulose, and vitamins. Cellulose is a carbohydrate found in the cell wall of plant cells. Most vitamins, including vitamins E, C, K, and certain B-complex vitamins, originate in green plants as products of photosynthesis. The process of cellular respiration. Through a series of complex reactions, cellular respiration combines glucose or the other compounds made from it with oxygen to produce energy along with carbon dioxide and water. This energy helps carry out other functions in the plant. Although some energy is lost as heat, most of the energy made is stored as ATP for the plant to use as it is needed. Unlike photosynthesis, which can occur only during the day, cellular respiration occurs all day and night. Also, unlike photosynthesis, which occurs only in plants, cellular respiration occurs in most organisms, including humans and almost all animals. God designed photosynthesis and cellular respiration to work together for the plant's benefit. Photosynthesis uses light energy to make glucose, and cellular respiration uses glucose to provide energy for the plant's cells. The oxygen produced in photosynthesis is used in cellular respiration, and the carbon dioxide and water produced in cellular respiration are used for photosynthesis. In His wisdom, God designed green plants to help maintain the correct concentration of oxygen in the air. People and animals use oxygen and place carbon dioxide into the air, whereas plants remove carbon dioxide from the air and replace it with oxygen. Although some of the oxygen released during photosynthesis is used for cellular respiration, the net amount of oxygen produced by photosynthesis is more than the net amount used in cellular respiration, allowing plants to release more oxygen into the atmosphere than they take in.